The Office of Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg tried to suppress Jordan Neely's mental health history in the trial of Subway hero Daniel Penny. Let's bring in criminal defense attorney and federal litigator Vikas Bajaj. Vic, great to have you on the show. Alvin Bragg clearly, as Kevin was saying, wanted to bar the testimony from a psychiatrist in the Daniel Penny trial. FoxNews.com writes the following here. The forensic psychiatrist who Manhattan prosecutors sought to have barred from testifying at Penny's Subway chokehold trial revealed on the witness stand Tuesday that Jordan Neely had been hospitalized more than a dozen times for psychotic episodes and abusing synthetic marijuana before his death on a Manhattan train. It's huge testimony that belongs in this trial, right?
Well, it does. Under the law, however, and this is one of those times where common sense does not actually go on into the courtroom or the courthouse. When we're talking about self-defense or defense of others, what the defendant or the suspect knows is the only inquiry. So if Mr. Penny did not know about these hospitalizations, the intoxication with K2, which can cause erratic and violent behavior, well, the judge says that's inadmissible and that shouldn't come in. However, when an expert witness testifies as to the veracity or the legitimate nature of Daniel Penny's actions in a self-defense case, it is admissible. So it's not admissible as presented, but there's another way to get that information in.
Interesting. Meantime, while we're talking about Alvin Bragg, he seems to be kind of hanging on to this whole Trump case, right? Everybody seems to think it's going to go away. Alvin Bragg's like, we'll just wait 4 years and see what the courts say then.
Well, there's still a little bit of taste with that soup du jour. You know, some people still think it's a popular thing, maybe in Manhattan. However, it has fallen by the wayside. What's happening here is you can never imagine Alvin Bragg will wave the white flag and say, you know what, I took my shot and I messed up. He can't say it. He's a politician. He cannot do that. He has to save face. So what he's going to do is let this case die a slow death, either by a motion to appeal or a dismissal motion, or in a couple of years, when everyone's still supporting Trump, to just let it go quietly.
I want to play this. Tom Homan said this about cities that say they will resist Trump deportations. Watch this.
Let me give you a word of advice. If you impede us, there's going to be consequences. You cannot help us, but also read Title 8, United States Code 1324 III. It is a felony to harbor and conceal, knowingly harbor and conceal an illegal alien. So read that statute and don't cross that line.
I got about 20 seconds for you, Vic. Is he right? Because the city of Los Angeles is just voted unanimously to say we are going to see if we can resist Donald Trump.
Beyond a shadow of a doubt, he's 100% correct. The military can be brought in a supportive capacity, allowing ICE, which has congressional authority, to go on out, identify, detain, and deport individuals who are ripe for that. 100% no dispute with what he said.
Vic, thank you.
Thank you.